I can remember the mangrove forest when I was a kid. There was a system of protecting the mangroves by our fathers and grandfathers with a little distraction. My name is Salim Shufaa. I have lived here for the last 55 years. This area is called Igazi. It is found in the south coast of Kenya. Most of the people are fishermen. Long time ago they used to go for fishing and they came with fish. A lot of fish. When I was a kid I used to go here and fish. But now there is no fish around here. Things changed in our area. There are a lot of people who came from other areas because of the increase in population. This led to a lot of demand for firewood, a lot of demand for building material. The consequences of cutting down the mangroves led to the diminishing stocks of fish.
All the benefits that these mangrove areas would have brought to humanity, to the community, to the environment, they are lost. My name is Mohamed Pakia. I work for WWF-Kenya, the Coastal Kenya program. The mangrove forests are important in well-being of the local community through provision of livelihoods, and also it is important because of its environmental services, protection against storms, protection against siltation and sea erosion. It is one of the important climate change mitigation due to its ability to do carbon sequestration, be able to capture carbon 4 times better than the terrestrial counterparts.
Without mangroves in a village like this, there is no life in the village because the economy of this village depends entirely on the sea. It depends entirely on fishing, and fishing depends on the mangroves. Fish depend on the mangroves for breeding and for survival.
WWF Kenya, in collaboration with other WWF networks, are working towards conservation of this mangrove ecosystem by ensuring that the communities are capacity built and they are empowered to understand the importance of these mangroves, as well as to participate in the restoration and conservation of these mangroves. And this we have done through community groups such as Forest Association, as well as beach management units.
The community are brought together and we plant mangroves every year. The community is involved in the planting of the mangroves, so the forest is growing. There is a good future, and also through that the fish catch is also increasing. Now every parent was being told that this year you are not going to buy books because the books have already been bought by the proceeds from the conservation of mangrove forests. So this was a big incentive to the village, and everybody now felt like owning or protecting the mangroves from destruction because they saw the importance. So that was a blessing to us.